Setting up and monetizing your YouTube channel quickly requires several strategic steps. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. First, create a Google account if you don't already have one. Then, use your Google account to sign in to YouTube. Next, create a channel by clicking on your profile icon in the top right and selecting Create a Channel. Choose a unique and catchy name related to your content niche. After that, complete your profile by adding a channel description that outlines what viewers can expect. Use professional-looking channel art and a logo that represents your brand. Finally, insert links to your social media and website, if applicable. Step 2. Plan your content. Identify your niche by choosing a specific area of interest where you can provide value, whether it's tech reviews, cooking, education, or something else. Plan out your first few videos with engaging titles and thumbnails. Prepare scripts to stay organized and concise. Step 3. Create and upload videos. Use a good camera and microphone for clear audio and video. Edit your videos using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve. To upload, click on the camera icon on the top right, then select Upload Video. Optimize your videos by using descriptive and keyword-rich titles, writing a detailed description with relevant keywords, using tags wisely to help YouTube understand your content, and designing eye-catching thumbnails. Before we continue with setting up and monetizing your YouTube channel, if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button below, like and comment on this video so that you can be notified by YouTube whenever we upload new videos like this one. Step 4. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and join conversations. Collaborate, team up with other YouTubers in your niche. Step 5. Monetization. Enable monetization. Go to YouTube Studio. Click Monetization on the left menu. Follow the steps to set up Google AdSense. Meet requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for monetization within YouTube Studio. Before we continue with setting up and monetizing your YouTube channel, if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button below, like and comment on this video so that you can be notified by YouTube whenever we upload new videos like this one. Thank you. Let's continue. Step 6. Utilize additional revenue streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands for payment. Channel memberships and super chat. Once eligible, use these features for additional income. Conclusion. By following these steps and consistently creating high-quality content, you can set up and potentially monetize your YouTube channel within a short period. Remember that success on YouTube also depends on persistence and continuous improvement. Good luck!